Welcome to our guide on how to allow request messages from your followers on Pinterest using your PC. This new update makes it easier for you to connect with your audience and manage your interactions effectively. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Ensure you are logged into your account so you can access all the necessary features. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents your settings. Click on it to proceed to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Pinterest account. Next, locate the section labeled Social Permissions. Here, you'll find options related to how you interact with your followers and other users on Pinterest. Under the Social Permissions section, look for Messages. Next to it, you'll see an option that says Edit. Click on this to modify how you receive messages from your followers. Now, you will be presented with different options regarding message requests. Choose Requests from this list. This setting allows you to receive messages from followers who send requests, rather than automatically allowing all messages. After selecting Requests, make sure to click on Save at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial as it ensures that your preferences are updated and that you will start receiving message requests from your followers. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your Pinterest settings to allow request messages from your followers. This feature not only enhances communication, but also helps you manage interactions more effectively. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Now you're ready to engage with your Pinterest community like never before. Enjoy connecting with your followers